Hello folks, good evening. Welcome to this video on Techie Investor. Today in this video, I just wanted to quickly share an interesting thing that I found in unusual whales, how that data can be used to make your trading decisions. I just wanted to share with you, but before we get started, just want to bring up the disclaimer. All the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your trading decisions. Okay. And also a humble request before we get started, I would request you to subscribe to our channel and provide your valuable feedback. And also let us know what kind of content would you like to view so that we can provide that content in the best possible way. I was just browsing through Unusual Whales, looking at what are the other features that they have, and I came across this thing called institutions. And here I was just looking at 5.2, and you see the various organizations, Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street. So you come to know who are the biggest ones who have the total value. Vanguard is way over everybody, 5.21 trillion. And those kind of things, right? You see all these things. But what caught my attention was, what are the buys? What are the buys? Top increased positions by value. Then you can see here what is going on. So you can see what is happening is on the top of the list was Google. Google has been 3.86 million shares were added, but I'm not sure within how many what is the time range for this? But definitely it tells me that 3.686 million has been added. And the second one is Berkshire Hathaway, which is 7.04 million. And then we have UNH at 160K shares. All these are folks, by the way. That means we are talking in millions, right? Or millions or even billions. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's those kind of things. So you see Aon, Baba, and McDonald's, ACN, those kind of things. So these are the top 10 stocks that are being added in the recent time. And then in the top 10 most owned by, we have the Microsoft, which is 4.57 million shares, followed by Google. So, and then, if you see this list, it's all the Max 7, right? So, but that makes sense. But what particularly caught my attention was recently they have been adding this. So I began to look at the charts, why Google has been recently being added. And today I found that it is being breaking out here and the breakout. So if you look at it, it has fallen from a high of 191.75 for 5 weeks. And it is like gone to a low of 154.93, and it formed a three-wave correction, which I always talk about. And then it has gone and it's breaking out here. So here it is trying to get out of this EMA 821 cloud at 166.37. And then on top of it, and here the EMA 821 cloud on the weekly is around 168. So if we cross this 166, 168 area, then the next target on the daily is 178 and 183. That's what it looks like. So when could that reach? It could reach by next week. That is like a 75% retracement, right? So 75% retracement is 183. So this is what we are looking at. And if you can give around 5 weeks, we can even go to the 87.5 retracement, which is at 187.15. So definitely this looks very, very bullish, but I would want it to cross first 168. So that is what I was looking for. So this is one of the ways that we can find the stocks that we can trade. And what I'm going to do is I put an alert here at this line so that I know that when it crosses that line, I would be aware that I should be able to trade that. So this is what I wanted to share with you folks. Hope this information was valuable to you, and definitely keep a watch on Google. I am keeping a watch on it, and I would be trading it in the coming days, maybe with an expiration in the 2 weeks or 3 weeks time frame. Okay. With that, I'll catch you in the next one.